Bula guys, welcome back to the Cavutago series. Today we're learning two more koso, la and ma. Remember, every Fijian sound is just a koso plus votu combination or a consonant and vowel combination. Once you learn these, you can read any Fijian word correctly. Let's start with the koso la, combined with the votu a, e, I, o, u. Ready? Just watch, listen, and imitate. La, le, li, lo, lu. Again, la, le, li, lo, lu. If you combine la and li, what do you get? You get lali, our Fijian wooden drum. This shows how simple Cavutago is. Once you know the base sounds, real words become easy. Next koso is ma, combined with the votu or vowels. Nice and smooth, listen carefully. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Again, ma, me, mi, mo, mu. If you duplicate ma, you get ma, which can mean light or easy. Like when you say mama na daka, the work is easy. See how predictable Fijian is? Koso plus votu never changes. Fiji has more than 300 dialects, but Cavutago teaches Vosavakaviti Raramba, the standard Fijian language. This helps our diaspora reconnect to identity, heritage, and culture no matter where they live. If you got la and ma, drop a comment. Next video we're doing na and pa. Keep going guys.